Welcome to Thought Hybrid International School. You're watching this video because you're getting stuck on the registration process on how to actually sign up and join our Discord channel. So there's a two-stage process in signing up with us. Firstly, if you are signing up as a parent, make sure you click on the parent account. If not, and you're signing up just directly as a student, Hybrid Thinker number 1 will be your first child, and if you've got a second child, then you can add the second child. If you've got more than 2 children, then I'd be highly concerned. But if you do, just pay for the 2 and the rest of your children can do the things for free, because we know that you're already overextended on the money that you're spending. Once you've gone through that process, you're going to check out to create an account with Thought Hybrid International School. If you want to, you can connect your Discord channel now. So my Discord channel is already connected, but it will redirect you to Discord, where it's going to ask you to either sign in. If you're already signed in, it'll just automatically connect and you'll be on Discord. If you have not signed up an account on Discord, it's going to ask you to register, or you need to go and register. Once you've completed that process, make sure that you finish your profile sign up inside the Thought Hybrid International School website. All we ask for is an email and a username and password. Once you've got that, you'll find that you'll have your profile section. Under your profile section, if you haven't managed to connect your Discord channel, you can go and connect your Discord channel at the bottom over here. Right now, I've got mine connected, so it's asking me to disconnect. In the future, which is not currently live at the moment, this menu at the top here will have a range of different events that you can join if you are wanting to join and see what's coming up. So you'll find events over here under this.education/events, or otherwise directly in our Discord channel, you'll see on the top here the different events that we've got coming up, and these will consistently change. I hope you have a little bit of fun, and if you're struggling, make sure to click on the WhatsApp bubble on the bottom of our website.